I was recommended to do ORSC by a friend. He said, just try fundamentals and you might find that you're able to start team coaching right away, which was the case.
I thought it was really deep experience, actually. And I had heard about it before, so I wasn't totally surprised, but really, really useful and really eye-opening at the same time, I think.
The ORSC fundamental, it exceeded my expectations. It really starts to shift my seeing and the potential of really focusing more on the relationship.
Everyone, no matter where they are, have teams and groups of people that they need to be able to work within, even if that's personal or if it's in a work environment, then I would recommend it to everyone.
I have recommended ORSC to many people. I think I've recommended probably about 10 people. I'll recommend it for anybody who finds themselves in a situation where they're maybe being asked to do some group or team coaching and they feel a little uncomfortable. It's just such a brilliant methodology, and it'll give you so much confidence and so many tools and skills that you can then take forward to enhance your business.